Hey guys, Ray from loveyourrv.com, and today I'm going to install some WeatherTech floor liners into our Ram. I've been doing a series for eTrailer on some products that they sent me out for free. Now I was able to choose the products that I acquired. I just have to mention their name in the video and a link to the product on their site. So thanks to them for that, because I needed some stuff for the truck. So far I've done mud flaps, you can see them there in the previous video, and also a tailgate assist, which you can see. So I'm making a playlist for these product add-ons that I do for the truck, and I'll link to that for you. So anyway, here we are. We got front and back WeatherTech floor liners. Now, let's see here. Why did I pick WeatherTech? Mostly I heard good things about them. And also they're designed and manufactured in the United States, which is a good thing. And they're built exactly for the vehicle to fit it perfectly. Digitally designed for consistent, perfect fit. Rigid core for strength while offering great surface texture and underside grip to the floor. And the channels carry fluid and debris to the lower reservoir away from shoes and clothing. This is the front section here. And also have ones for the back area. So let's take a look at what I have stock from the factory. Pretty basic, actually. So here we go. Like I say, in previous videos we did a pretty basic truck. It's sort of in Canada it's called the ST version, which is like a tradesman down here. And it just has all vinyl seats and also vinyl floors, which is great. They're easy to clean and all that. But I have noticed where I drive here, you can see the way my heels have been digging into this floor. It's not a very thick vinyl floor, so I feel it won't be no time before I actually become holes there. So it'd be good to get these WeatherTechs in place. Also, one reason I wanted the vinyl is we do so much camping on the Pacific coast. You get sand and wet mud when it's raining. And then we spend a lot of time in the desert here, so you get a lot of dirt and debris. And if it ever does rain, the soil sticks to your shoes. So we just came out of Death Valley National Park, and it rained, and boy did the floors ever get dirtied up after that. So anyway, let's install them and see how they look. Give you a quick look at the back seat here. Let's see if it flips down. There we go. It's not that bad because no one ever sits back here. It's more, use it more for storage. It'd actually be nice to be able to cover these little hidey holes so people won't even know they're there. Just looking at the instructions here that came with the floor mats. Looks like I'm going to have to put down a snap arrangement to keep them in place, at least for the front ones. So open up the package, and I have this thing. It's going to go down on the floor, I guess. And they gave me some alcohol cleaning wipes, and it looks like some kind of maybe glue stick here. Okay, and I also got a catalog. I've been going through their WeatherTech website, and they do an awful lot of different products. Like I say, I installed the mud flaps. I'm also doing some window visors that are WeatherTech. Okay, there's the back one installed. It just basically lays in place. I guess there's no clips for that because you still want to be able to get down at these little hidey hole things here, but looks like everything fits, meant to be. Okay, seems to fit. Must have got the right ones. So now I'm going to put on the snaps. You can see there's a snap under there. So I'm going to have to get this and put it on the floor down there. So they give you some isopropyl alcohol wipes, and then this little pen, you push on it and it snaps open the primer, so you coat underneath. You just have to sort of mark where that's going to be, where you're going to want that snap to happen. Whoosh. See, this is that 3M VHB, very high bond. They use that for real sticky stuff, kind of like putting outdoor mounting tape. Even heard people stick solar panels on with that stuff. Okay, and push down on it, make sure it sets. So I'm not exactly sure here what to do with this edge. I think I should probably tuck it behind the plastic here. Kind of says here, be sure to always use any existing or provided retention system so the floor liner is properly secured. I know getting in and out of the truck you'll be clipping this with your shoes, so I'm going to carefully pry back this plastic and stick it underneath. There we go. I think that'll work out better. Might be catching on them when we're going in and out. Hive tool came in handy for getting in there. So there we go. Installed. There's the front. And there's the back. Well, another truck add-on upgrade in the bag. Those are going to come in really handy for us. So I got one more from E-Trailer. They sent me out some visors for the top. They go along. I got rear ones and front ones. Kind of a sun visor and rain visor. Just something to bring it out a bit, because a lot of times when we open the door, if we have the window down, stuff will just fall in. And also the wind really buffets in there, so I wonder if that might help. Anyway, I'm going to be installing them soon. Might be a few days. The actual package they sent me out, UPS must have stomped on it or something, because one of the visors was busted, one was chipped. So, but I contacted them and they're sending me out a pair of new ones right away. So stay tuned. Till next time, Ray from LoveYourRV.com. Cheers, everyone.